This video is going to focus on solving simultaneous equations using matrix method. So the first thing you're going to do is just write these equations in form of matrices, where we're going to have the first matrix made up of the coefficients that will be 3, 1, 1, 2. And then the second matrix is just made of the unknowns, that is x and y. And the third matrix is made of the results, that is 13 and 1. Then we can label these as matrix A, and this is matrix X, and that is matrix B. So to obtain matrix X, you're going to take the inverse of A times matrix B. So it means, therefore, that the task that we have now is to obtain the inverse of A. So the inverse of A can be obtained by taking 1 over the determinant of A, then multiplying it by the adjoint of A. So the determinant of A can be obtained by 3 times 2, that is the product of the main diagonals, minus 1 times 1, which is the product of the other diagonal. So that will be 6 minus 1, which is just 5. And then the adjoint of A is obtained by taking, you reverse the entries in the main diagonal so that you have 2, 3, and then you change the signs of those in the other diagonal. So that is the adjoint of A. So from these two, we can obtain the inverse of A. So the inverse of A is 1 over 5 times the adjoint, which is 2, negative 1, negative 1, 3. So when we have this information, we can now obtain the value of the matrix X, that is xy. So just take the inverse of A, which is 1 over 5 into 2 minus 1 minus 1, 3. Then you multiply by matrix B, and matrix B was 13, 1. So this will be 1 over 5. And then we have 2 times 13, which is 26, plus negative 1 times 1, which is just minus 1. Then you have minus 1 times 13, which is just minus 13, plus 3 times 1, which is just 3. So this will be 1 over 5 into 26 minus 1 is 25, negative 13 plus 3 is negative 10. So we can simplify this further so that we have 1 over 5 times 25, and we have 1 over 5 times negative 10. So this is equal to 5, and this is equal to negative 2. And remember, this was the matrix xy. So this implies that the value of x is 5, and the value of y is negative 2. And those are the solutions of our simultaneous equations